dark and light, I press ahead with whispered doubts and hope I fed. Each step a story yet untold, dreams pursued, I grow bold. Twists and turns, the roads embrace, chasing shadows and finding grace. With every fall I rise again, a rebel heart that won't refrain. Oh, we're chasing dreams under neon skies, with a fire that never dies. Running wild, hold hearts on the line. We'll make our stars align. Beneath the moon we find our way, through the night into the day. No more fear, no need to run, in this race we've just begun. Voices say we'll never make it, but we'll break the mold and fake it. In the echoes of our stride, we'll rewrite the wrongs we hide. Oh, we're chasing dreams under neon skies, with the hearts on the line. We'll make our stars align. The roads embrace, chasing shadows and finding grace. With every fall I rise again, a rebel heart that won't refrain. Oh, we're chasing dreams under neon skies, with a fire that never dies. Running wild, hold hearts on the line. We'll make our stars align.